Tonight I'm going to do a couple of choice New York strip steaks on the all-new Camp Chef Sidekick. I do have the Deluxe barbecue grill box on now. I put it on about 10 minutes ago with the burner on medium. Cooking it clean again, and it looks like it's up to 700 degrees. I'll give you a quick peek at the New York strips. About 10-15 minutes ago I took them out of the fridge, seasoned them up with some hickory smoked sea salt that I just picked up and some black pepper. Once the steaks are finished, I'm going to go ahead and dust them with Chicago steak seasoning. Then I also have some large shrimp that have been marinating now about the last 15-20 minutes. And I'll also brush those right when they're finished with the marinade. You can kind of get a peek here at my new outdoor cooking space. Covered canopy. Eventually I'll have a door and a wall here. Pretty excited about cooking out here this winter, and I do have a propane fire pit. I'm going to cook the steaks to medium, so 145 internal temp. This side that's up is going to be my finished side, so I'm going to go ahead and put that side down first. Here we are, 2 minutes in. I'll give them a little bit of a spin to get diamond marks. There we are, 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Go ahead and give them a flip. There you go, that's after 4 minutes. There we are, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Got a little bit of a grease fire there. Peek at that. Here we are, 10 minutes. I think what I'm going to go ahead and do now is stand them on the end. Not the fatty side, the meat side. Here we are at 12 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to low. Here we are at 13 minutes. Let's go ahead and check the temp. Coming along nice. Here we are, 16 minutes. After I did check the temp there, internal temp, I did turn it back up to medium. Still got them standing on end. This one, since it's a little thinner or smaller, is going to be her steak. So we'll get that one to 145 and we'll worry about mine. We'll go ahead and start the shrimp. The shrimp are on. Probably pull the steaks off here like at 140 and let them rest, come up the temp. Here we are, 18 minutes. I can really smell that ginger. Sorry about that. Come on. I think we'll go back down to low. Get those steaks off. Give them another little brushing of Chicago, dusting I should say. Shrimp will be finished in no time. Alright, we're back at 20 minutes. Shrimp are done, and I did also give them another brushing of the marinade, and the steaks are resting. Here we are, almost 25 minutes. Steaks have had a chance to rest. Shrimp are finished. Glazed the second time. Let's go ahead and cut into the steak and see how I did. There we are, a nice medium. Maybe even a little cooler. What's the thermometer say? 141.9. There we go. The all-new Camp Chef Sidekick with the Deluxe barbecue grill box. A couple nice choice New York strip steaks, some large shrimp.